welcome back to the channel. What's up, y'all? So welcome to the Daily Style Edit, where I give you your daily dose of style. I mean, because you get dressed every day white, so why not look good doing it, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and jump off into this look that I have on right now. As y'all know, baby, we start from head and go all the way down. So you guys have seen this wig before. This is actually an Amazon wig, and it was customized by my good friend, the Erica Marie. And my glasses, because y'all know I cannot see in real life, okay? So these are actually prescribed, you guys. And I went on a binge and just ordered a bunch of glasses from Zulu. I believe that's how you pronounce the name. I think that's right. And so these are actually prescribed through them, and I thought they worked perfectly with this outfit, honey, because accessories are everything, okay? And then next, the shirt. So this is actually a men's shirt that is really too big. So I want to tell you guys what I did to go in and actually kind of customize this shirt to kind of give it the fit that I wanted, because I went in and I actually ordered a woman's shirt, orange button down shirt, but the style and the fit of it, it was tailored like so tightly, and I didn't want it, so that's why I wound up getting a men's shirt. So with this one, I actually went in and just had it taken in by a seamstress just a little bit, just to kind of tailor it to me. But what I loved really the most about the shirt was the sleeves, because it gave me enough room in the arms in this. Now in men's size, I actually got a 4X in men's size in this particular shirt. That's why I had to have it tailored just a little bit, just to take it in on the sides, because it was really like overly baggy big. And then of course with the sleeves, y'all, I just went in, rolled up the sleeves just to give me more of that casual style feel when it comes to the look. But you know what? I really like this shirt, and I'm probably going to go and order some more of these, just button down shirts, because for some reason, I don't know like what material this is. I didn't read the tag, but this shirt is like really soft. It's like soft on the skin. So I really, really love it. And I chose this orange color because it's going to pair well with my dunks that I have on, because y'all already know I am in my comfortable girl era at this moment in my life. Now listen, y'all, when it comes to the belt, this was actually the only belt that I could actually find at the time. So it actually went kind of good just to kind of spice up the look itself, which is this leopard belt that came from, where does this belt come from? I want to say this belt came from Ashley Stewart's. Now my jeans have great stretch in them. These are actually a cuff jean. I bought them with cuffs in them. Now I actually tried to take the cuff out of the jean, but it don't really look that well, so don't try that at home, okay? don't do that part if you decide to get these jeans. But these jeans are actually a size 24. They have both front pockets, back pockets, and they have stretch off in them, which y'all know we love some stretch, okay? Y'all know we love some stretch. And then we get down to my shoes, which are dunks, right? These are just your average Nike dunks. And I always get a lot of questions about these shoes. They was like, well, did you buy your shoes 2 different colors? This is actually how these shoes came. They came mixed matched like this, and that's why I absolutely love them, girl, because it just spices up the look, okay? It spices up the whole entire look. All right, so I had to get my notes, okay, y'all? So this is just your quick style tip of the day. This outfit right here is what I actually call balanced, okay? And the reason why is because the top is slightly oversized, because I did have it taken in, and then my jeans are more of a fitted style jean. So guess what? This is what I actually call balance. And even with me going in and mixing prints, like with my shoes and my belt, this is what I call intentional chaos. Right, when it comes to actually styling yourself. Sometimes when you go in and mix prints, it actually just gives your whole look a balance. So remember that, honey. It's called intentional chaos. All right, but of course you have to know how to go in and play with the prints, and also having balance within the look. And so this is what I mean. So I'm gonna go from this, my top and my bottom. So my shirt is a solid. And my pants, of course, denim is just a staple, which denim goes with anything, which allowed me to go in and kind of play with the prints. That I was putting on. For instance, like with the belt, right? Most people probably would have went in and put on either a brown belt or a black belt with this look. I couldn't find either one of mine, so leopard was my choice, right? And when I finally went in and put all of the things together, I was like, oh, this really looks nice. And then, of course, the shoes. The shoes is going to stand out as well, which is another mixed print because the shoes are multicolored. So my top and my pants gives the even balance that I actually need. My belt and then also my shoes gives me my what? Intentional chaos when it comes to actually styling yourself. So that's the style tip. Have you some balance, right, in your actual outfit if you're doing solids. And then this is a great way for you to go in and play with prints and mixes and colors and all the things, okay? Style swap. So with the style swap, I decided to actually go in and pair this with just some camo pants. Baby, if y'all don't know nothing else about me, I love camo, okay? In my opinion, camo is a neutral. It is a basic that I think you should have in your wardrobe, because when it comes to camo, you can play with it so many different ways and mix it together. And that's exactly what I did with this. So my shirt actually gives me the balance in this because it's a solid. And then I went in and put it with the camo pants. I also left the shirt, that little style, one side tucked in and then the other side is out, just to give it a more of a casual feel. And then of course I kept on my dunks as well, and it is still paired with the same gold chunky jewelry with this one. Now when it comes to accessory wise, right, I did it with the denim just to see how that would look, and then I went in and I put on my other pair of glasses that I actually picked up from Zulu as well. So remember y'all, all my glasses are prescribed. Now this is just a cute look. I feel like you can do either one of these looks wherever you want to take this to. Me, this is what I'm actually wearing to church on today. And I bet like, girl, this is what you be wearing to church? Yes, honey. I keep telling y'all, I do a lot of moving around at church, so I have to be comfortable in that I'm doing. All right, so these two looks are very much so perfect. They're comfortable, they're casual, and if you are even in a hot city like I'm in Dallas, Texas, honey, because the heat be heating, you can still get away with these looks, especially this shirt, y'all. I'm not playing with this shirt. This shirt is really soft, and it is a very much so breathable material. So that right there, honey, is our style swap of the day. So cousin, you are creating content, right? And you're having a hard time trying to go in and create content. You need a strategy. You feel like you just posting and ain't nothing happening for you, and you all over the place. You trying to keep up with the trends and what this is doing. Guess what? You got help. I have created a whole course which is called the Content Edition. The Content Edition is just for you. So whether you are an inspiring creator, you're currently creating and you need to tighten up, you own a business, content is something that you need. And guess what? I got the answer for that. And it's the Content Edition. I'm teaching you all about all of the things. What is all of the things? Your target audience, understanding who your customer is, who your audience is. We're tightening up your messaging so that way you can speak to your customer and they can understand and get you and also your brand as well. I'm going in and showing you how to build and create content tailored just for you as well. And then, honey, the best part about it, I'm also going in and showing you how to be able to monetize your content on different levels, not just getting paid from the platform itself, but that way you can have a consistent revenue or passive income, as some like to call it. Yes, honey, I'm showing you how to create income. Whether that is a product-based business that you have or you want to start, or even that is service-based. I'm giving you everything that I have learned along my content creation journey within the past 6 years of me doing this. So whether you have a YouTube channel, whether you're on Instagram, or whether you are on TikTok, honey, you need to know how to create content. So if you need it, you can scan the QR code right here on the screen, or you can click the link down in the description box below. Okay, cousins, that is our daily style edit for today, honey. So if you love this look that I have on, or even the style swap from the wig to the glasses, honey, all the way down to my shoes and even the jewelry. I didn't tell y'all about the jewelry, but the jewelry is on there as well, which is just my basic gold jewelry that I decided to go in and pair with this. And these items came, well, this item came, I think, from City Trend or Amazon, and these are like beauty supply store bracelets. But what I did in the Shop Your Closet, you can shop bracelets and similar items to the jewelry that I have on. Okay, so yes, honey, shop the closet. And what I be telling y'all, if you don't necessarily need anything, take this video, use it as inspiration, match it up with some different things in your closet, send this video to somebody you're like, hey, you know what, I think this may be your style. And maybe they may even have items in their closet that they can go in and play with and mix and match as well. But if you don't have it, baby, please shop the closet. Okay, shop the closet. And cousins, what do I tell y'all all the time? Baby, make sure that you walk in every single room boldly and confidently, honey. And make sure that you do what? Make sure that you own it. Now make sure that y'all like, share, and subscribe. I know you didn't make it all the way to the end of this video and you have not hit the subscribe button. And you better comment down below because y'all already know that I am going to talk back. All right, cousins, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.